After creating cross section, just from here display area volume detail, and from here you can print the cross section. So from this quantity calculation and display the zero and average line, you can check from here. If I click on the start button here, you will see for the zero. If I click on the zero, there is nothing. The 15 and 15 is starting the volume and area. It's showing at zero. From for the zero, showing first the road. This here is the where it's attaching to the natural ground, and then the above is the road, and here from the below is the natural ground. So which point uses in the cross section is solely only the, so between these two points, natural ground and road, this area were calculated. Then same like in 15, if you check here, it's showing the area where this because the NGL was more on the right side and the left side, it's more on the offset, but it's showing only where they intersection each other, these two roads. So between these two, like you can check more station, like as you go road, every station separately is the total fill, total cut is kind of here also. From the above here, it's showing area volume, zero line volume here for the same like we checked before. The average line showing like this divided by 2 multiplied by the length. Okay, from the next tab here, print quantity report, you can print summary or detail. First, if I want to check the summary for this one, there are two options: zero line, exactly where the height and the cut and fill started, and average line it will take end to end, the start and end divided by area divided by 2 multiplied by, and this one accurate where the cut and fill, suppose it will not take the average, it will take the zero line accurate volume. So when you click on the print preview, showing the summary. First of all, let's check the summary. It's showing the station, the section area. This is the section area for the first, then intermediate value here. The first one we don't have intermediate value, accumulated value for the first one because no length here, so it's 0. For the 15, as you can see, 62. So between the cut value 911 and is carry forward its accumulated value. So for each station separately it's showing the cut and fill, how much cut and fill by separate station. So for each station you can take from the cumulative is adding to each one, so it's showing like this. So the total volume is here, the cut and fill volume here, this one for each station we can calculate from here. Okay, if you go to the detail here, from here you can watch this directly from here. From here you can change the scale. The next one page. From here this option you can watch 2 pages, same like 3 pages, like 4 pages above and below. Here I check here, then there are number increasing, so I will check the first one here, and from here you can change the page number, station. You can check station by station like this. So the first station here we will not see any, we will don't see any value here because only area, it's area only here. Okay, the next thing here, in the next station you will see the volume calculating. The first station, if I go to one, there are no volume for the only area. The next station it's showing that the current section is 62. Each page you will see the current section here. The current section is minus. The minus showing the cut value and plus showing the fill value. So if you go to the next volume, suppose the second one, you will see here the 62, the current, the previous was the 59, then accumulative. Accumulative mean the intermediate value mean 62 plus 06 plus 59.5 over 3 this plus divided by 2 multiply 15, you can see 911. So this is, so in here the distance, as you can see, 15 volume, this one the area it's showing this one. Okay, the next is you go, there is the area in volume 312 between these two, between this area and this, the previous section is showing here, the current section is showing here. So for the previous section, this one, so your total volume, this one, and this also you can see from here the current section area, this one 62, the previous section area, this one, and the intermediate volume for this section. Intermediate volume mean for this section 20, and the 312, and cumulative from the start to end, as we saw in the summary. So as we go, okay, there is another thing here, the intersection point. Out of the intersection point, as you can see here, this one, these are the intersection point, minus 25, minus 25 here. There are 2 points where it is showing the level plus the elevation. So sometimes we need the cut unsuitable material, cut and fill. So for that, it's using this intersection point. Where it is an intersection, we take only that area. So these are intersection point. The level from here, you can see the level. The additional description we added is showing here, the center line, the channel name, the project name. Then this point 1, 2, 3, 4 showing the blue point showing the design value, the red line and the point showing the natural ground surface. Okay, then here already we discussed this one, the horizontal and vertical scale. The horizontal scale like this and the vertical scale like this. The left side slope and right side slope, this showing this the side slope mean this area. The left side superelevation, right side superelevation, this the slope of the road, and the profile grade defining the design value from the, suppose this is 40, so from 40 we put the design value from here, as you can see. If they mention 40 here, 671.84, 671.84. Also in the cross section you can see 671.84. So it's like this. You can, and if you want to print, then don't go to preview here, just detail print, select the print option, and from here select your printer or select the Microsoft print to PDF, and then it will ask for the place where you want to save. From here the properties on page, if you want to print the portrait or the landscape. From here the print option, you can set the print option here. When you press on the active, the project name, you can change the size of the project name from here. As you, when you saw the print preview, it was bigger than the project description. So like this you can uh, change the data from here. Page setting, ground section, road section, project name, you can change, click on here, and from here you can change the text style, size, color, preview. You will see the preview here. So anytime you change the, you will see preview here like this. You can, so from here you can change the font size or color. If you want to write in other color, you can write the ground section preview for this one, the ground, road, point, intersection, as we saw here, the graph data, the graph for the inside the page setting. From here you can select the page. If you want the select auto from the printer, you can select here. So like this you can in the print option. From the drawing option, you can select the, click on update if you want to value some X scale, and from here the Y scale, as we saw in the cross section, I check the cross section here. This scale, this is the graph scale. You can increase or decrease